Good morning students. In last video we have already solved up to question number 6 of exercise 13.1. Today we will solve the remaining questions of this exercise. So see question number 7. Okay. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder in the shape of a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. Then and the slant height of the top. The slant height of top is 2.8 meter. Okay. Find the area of the canvas. Find the area of the canvas. Area of the canvas for making the tent. Then also find the cost of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Okay, so this is the question. What? Now a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical shape. So this is a tent which is the shape of a cylinder and which is surmounted by the shape of a cone. Okay, so then here it is given what? Now the diameter, the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part. The height is 2.1 meter and the diameter of the cylindrical part, this part is 4 meter. So the radius is equal to R is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 meter. So according to here you see the figure, the radius of both conical part and cylindrical part both are 2 meter, and it is also given the slant height of the top. The top is a conical shape, so the slant height is 2.8 meter. So here question said to find the area of the canvas to making this tent. So that means here we find the curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus the curved surface area of the conical part. So here we write according to the question solution, height of cylindrical part is equal to 2.1 meter and the diameter is equal to 4 meter. So radius is equal to how much? Now 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 meter. This is also the radius of a conical part also. Okay, and the slant height, that means L, of a conical part, that is equal to 2.8 meter. Okay, so here according to our question, here we find the canvas, the area of the canvas to make this a tent. So first you find the chord surface area of the cylindrical part. So chord surface area of a cylindrical part, that is equal to 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22 upon 7. R is 2 meter into h is 2.1 meter. 7 cancel, 0.3. So that is 2 to 4. 4 into 0.3, 1.2. So 22 into 1.2. That is equal to 26.4 meters. So this is the chord surface area of the cylindrical part. Okay. So now the chord surface area of the conical part. So here we find the chord surface area of a conical part, that is equal to pi r l, that is 22 upon 7 into r is 2 into l is 2.8. 7 cancel, here it is 0.4. So 22 into 2 into 0.4, that is 0.8. Okay, so that is equal to how much? That is equal to 17.6 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of chord surface area of the conical part, that is equal to 17.6 meter square, and this is chord surface area of the cylindrical part, that is equal to 26.4 meter square. So the total surface area of the canvas, so the total area of the canvas, to make the tent, that is equal to chord surface area of a cylindrical part plus chord surface area of a conical part. So that is 26.4 meter square plus a 17.6 meter square, that is equal to 44 meters. So total area of the canvas to make required to make the tent, that is equal to 44 meters square. So here another question is here, it is given the cost. Per meter square canvas cost is 500 rupees. So here we write the cost of 1 meter square canvas, that is equal to rupees 500. So the total cost of canvas, that is equal to 44 into rupees 500. Okay, so that is equal to how much? Now rupees 22,000 rupees. Okay, so the area of the canvas required to make this tent, which is in the shape of a cylinder and surmounted by a conical top, is equal to, the area is equal to 44 meters square, and the cost of the canvas, that is equal to rupees 22,000. Okay, I think all of you understood. Then come to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. What? Now from a solid cylinder whose height is from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 meter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the total surface area. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter. Of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So according to our question here it is what? Now from a solid cylinder, solid is in which shape? Now that is the cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Height is 2.4 centimeter. So height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is, this diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Yes. So the height of the solid is 2.4 centimeter and the radius is 0.7 centimeter. Again here you see a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter. So here you see means that cylindrical शेप एक सॉलिड है उसमें से एक एक कोनिकल शेप करके एक एक कट करके निकाल दिया जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस सिलिंड्रिकल सॉलिड वी कट आउट अ कोनिकल शेप whose height is also 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is also 1.4 centimeter. So that means here we cut a conical shape. That means this conical cavity here we cut out. Okay, so that means so here is the radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Okay, so here the radius of the cylinder is equal to, so radius of the cylinder is equal to 1.4/2 that is 0.7 centimeter. Height of the cylinder that is equal to 2.4 centimeter. And according to our question, the radius of a conical cavity that is also 0.7 centimeter and height of the conical cavity that is also 2.4 centimeter. So here you see if we want to find the curved surface area of the conical, because this part we cut out or हमने उसमें से निकाल दिए. So here the inner curved surface area of the conical part, that means here we find pi r l. So to find the inner curved surface area of the conical part, first we find what? Now the slant height. So here the radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter and height is also 2.4 centimeter. So first you find the slant height of the conical part. So here is right slant height of conical cavity, that is equal to number of r square plus h square, that is 0.7 square plus 2.4 square root over. So that is equal to how much? 2.5 centimeter. So the slant height of the conical part is 2.5 centimeter. Then here you see, now from the solid which shape is a cylinder, we cut out the conical part, so the remaining solid is equal to what? Now the curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus the inner curved surface area of the conical part and the area of the base of the cylindrical part. Okay, so here we write curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH, inner curved surface area of a conical part, that is pi RL, and the area of a base of a solid, base of a cylinder, that is pi r square, because the base is in circular shape, so that is pi r square. So the total surface area of the remaining solid, so here we write the total surface area of the remaining solid, that is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r l plus pi r square. So here we can take common pi r. So here it is 2h plus l plus r. So here we write what? Pi 22 upon 7, r is equal to 0.7. Here 2 into 2.4 centimeter plus l is equal to 2.5 centimeter plus r is 0.7 centimeter. So here you see, so 22 upon 7, there is 7 upon 10, 7 cancel, 2 into 2.4, that is 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7, that is equal to 22 upon 10, that is equal to, here we can make it 2.2, 22 upon 10, that is equal to 2.2 into 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7, that is equal to 8. So 8 to 60, 8 to 60 means 17.6 centimeter square. Okay, so the area of the remaining solid, when from a cylindrical solid we cut out conical cavity, so then the area of the remaining solid is equal to 17.6 centimeters. Okay, so I think all of you understood. You note this also, and it is also available in your PDF. Then come to the last question of this exercise, question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of a radius 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the particle. Find the total surface area of the article. Okay. A wooden article made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base is of a radius 3.5 cm. So that means here you see this is a cylindrical particle. Okay, and whose height is equal to 10 centimeter. This height is equal to 10 centimeter is given. Then in both end we shape hemispherical shape. So here one hemispherical shape cut out and here also a hemispherical shape from this. So here question said you find the total surface area of the article. So that means first the curved surface area of the cylinder, then the inner curved surface area of both the hemispherical part. So then it will be what the surface area of this. So first you find what solution. The height of cylinder. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, and here it is also given the base radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here you write the base radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, then first you find the curved surface area of cylinder. That is equal to 2 pi RH. That is 2 into pi is equal to, here it is given 22/7 into R is 10. R is 3.5 into H is 10. So here you see 2 into 22/7, 35/10 into 10. 10 cancel, 7, 5. So that means 5 into 2, 10 into 22, that is 220 centimeters. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Then again here question said what? Now two hemispherical scoop in both the end. So first here you find the inner surface area of the hemisphere. So inner surface area. So inner surface area of a hemisphere. So here are two hemispheres. So here also we can write inner surface area of a hemisphere both ends. That means 2. So that means 2 into 2. So inner curved surface area of the hemisphere, I think all of you know that is 2 pi r square. So here is write 2 into 2 pi r square. So that is 4 into pi. Pi is equal to 22/7. R is equal to 3.5 into 3.5. So that is 4 into 22/7. Here 35/10 into 35/10. 5, 7, 5, 2, 5, 7, 5, 2. 7, 7 cancel. cancel. 2, 4 also cancel. 22 into 7 is 154 centimeters. Okay, so the both hemispherical scoop, the area is equal to 154 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the solid is equal to what? So here we write. Now the total surface area of a solid, that is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder plus inner curved surface area of both hemisphere. Okay, so that is 220 centimeters square plus 154 centimeters square. So that is equal to 374 centimeters. Okay, so the total surface area of this solid, where the solid is in the shape of a cylinder and in both ends there are two hemispherical scoops are there. So the total surface area of this solid is equal to 374 centimeters. Okay, so I think all of you understood, and you note it in your notebook also. Then in next video we will proceed or we will solve other exercise, that is 13.2. Okay.